Back in another video, and today watching fireworks because it's 4th of July. Happy 4th of July to everybody out there. Subscribe to Mickey. What's your channel name?
My channel name is Mad at Other Stuff, which is your very first one. It says Miguel Alvarez 18.
Plug.
No. Just put on Miguel Alvarez 18. It'll show up.
Plug. Joe, what's your channel, Joe? Your channel.
I put Gio Diaz.
Plug. Andrew, what's your channel name?
Joseph Serving.
Plug.
Hey, Miguel Alvarez Diaz. This is Miguel Alvarez Diaz 18.
Mickey, can you pause the button?
We're back.
See you back later. See you guys later on.
Subscribe to this
Oh,
guy.
we're back. Fireworks are starting.
You can't see. This is part 2.
Right there. Boom.
It's blurry.
Zoom in, Jill.
Just for you, Joe, cause my has light, my nigga.
My hair's like too.
I'm on the bottom because it's just here.
Alright, so look at those fireworks.
With the family, just chilling.
What's that for?
YouTube.
Need to take a picture from over there.
Add her on Instagram.
Mickey.
Yoade Diaz _, I think.
Plug.
You're vlogging?
What's your Instagram?
Take a picture of us.
What's your Instagram?
Instagram?
Yeah.
Yadi_Diaz.
Plug.
Maylev double Y. Maylev double Y.
Add me, Andrew _DS219.
Plug. Now let's go back to the cribbo. Let's do this.
Let's go, Mike. There's a car here.
Walking back home.
Dude, there's a huge ass dent in my hair.
Is it?
From work.
Okay. Deuces.